Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily delete header and footer on your website in Editor X. So what do you want to do? There are two ways how you can do it. Right click on it and you can simply remove from page and you remove it, or you can simply delete it and like everything here will be gone. Then you're gonna like only have buttons here. So this is like the first way what you can do. So yeah. And same with the footer. When you would like scroll down below, again you can see the footer. Right click on it and you can simply delete it, right? And this is how you delete header and footer in Editor X. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.